Brian with Biz Help 101, and today we're going to teach you how to add images, your affiliate images, to your page or a website, depending on which one you use, or both, if you're going to use both. So the first thing you need to do is to go to bizhelp101.com and log in, and I already have, and then what will happen is you'll open it up and it'll come to this page. So what you'll do is you'll go right over here to where it says link to us, and you click on there. And so depending on what portal you're going to go through, I'm just going to use this one for right now for the sake of time. But I'll go to I'll show you. Let me show you real quick. Well, no, I'll do it later. If you look right here, this says portals. Go there, and so depending on what you're going to specialize in is where you get the images for you to be able to market and promote whatever product or service you're going to offer. So say, for instance, if you're going to go to bigfatsavings.com, you're going to sell products, then you will go there and grab the images from there, like I'm getting ready to show you right now, and you do the same thing. If you're going to sell personal credit or business credit or corporations or whatever, then you will go to finance builders. If you're going to sell the opportunity and promote the Biz Help 101 opportunity, then you go to this portal. So right now we're at this portal, and if you see here, it says affiliate ID right here, and then that's your number that's set up for your account. So what you would do is you will scroll down and find an image. There's a bunch of images in each of the files. If there's something that's not there and you want us to create something different or more applicable to you, we do have a custom program that we have as well that we can do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the top just for the sake of just making it ease. And what you do is you'll see, one or two ways of doing it. If you want to create your own image, or you're going to do something on your website, a blog or something like that, you would just copy that much of the code, and then you would right finger click and click copy. And then you would type up whatever it is you're going to type up, and then you would just either do one or two things, which we'll show it at another time. But for right now, I just want to show you how to use it for here to set it up on your user pages. So anyway, you would just copy and click, and then you would put that into your whatever document you're going to put into. If you're going to do an email or something like that, that has your code in it, so that way a person will be able to do it. But we're going to do it right now based upon, I want this image right here, which is a gift, and I'm going to take and copy. I'm not sure. I'm on a Mac, so it's Command All. On yours, I'm not sure if you're on a PC what it is, but you will capture it all and then copy it. And then what you would do is what I did. I kind of cheated ahead of time, and then just right here, you will go to IBO sites, and then you would find your site. So you would What will happen is, let me slow down, that it'll come to your management of your own site if you've already created one. If you haven't, go to the video before this one and create your site and configure it, get your templates and everything set up, so that way you're ready to do what I'm getting ready to do. So if I want to now manage my pages, so I will manage my page, for instance, to be able to add that code onto my page. And so I will go there. And I'm just going to, right now I'm going to use, there's nothing on this one, so I'm going to use this one for right now, even though it's not the right one. You will click on there where you see the page, where the pencil on the page. That's for you to manipulate the file that you're going to be working with. If you see here, let me do this. Let me go back. Let's add a new page. Let's do it from there. That'll be easier. Let's add a new web page. I'm sorry. And then we'll just say business, just for the sake of time, business opportunity. And then you would type up whatever you want to type, and then or what I would suggest, since it's your first time doing it, center it. See this little, it says source code right here. This again is called a WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. In order to paste the code, you must go to the source code button and enable it. And what it does is it opens up another screen, and then as you see here is just a couple text. And I'm not going to get into all that because you're not, right now I'm not trying to teach you code. Just try to help you get going so you can make some money. So when you see right here between the plus, greater than, less than, right in the middle of that, you would just paste that code that you got from the other page, and then you just hit OK. And if you notice, it's right there. right? And so once it comes up, you see this there, and then you type up whatever you want to type up into it, then you just add that, and then you would just save. Alrighty, so once you do that, you want to view it, you will go to view your site. And this, again, this is something that I've already set up. This is my own personal page, which I haven't really worked on purpose, so that way I can show you how to do it. And so if you go down to, it says business opportunity, click on there on that page. If you look up here, you see business opportunity. That's the page is on. That's my username that I use for my accounts. When you promote your website, you would promote this part of the website. If you want to promote that page, then you just add that page, so it'll go directly to that page. But your link that you would use all the time and everything to promote your business is this link right here. So going down, and there it is right there. That's as easy as that. We thank you, and we'll have some more videos on how to do more as far as adding links and pages and so forth as far as on your IBO page. This is Brian Cochran. We'll talk to you later.